Hey guys, I will show you how to transform your afro into a low sleek bun. I'm just parting my hair into 3 sections. I'm now just going to apply gel to my hair, and then I'm just going to use the brush and brush my hair up, just ensuring that the gel is being distributed throughout my hair. I'm just molding my hair into place. It's easy to work with wet hair, so if you find that your hair is dry, just get some water and just spritz it. I'm just using my hair tie to make a pony. Then I'm going to apply gel to both sides of my hair, and as I apply the gel, I'm just detangling my hair some more, and then I'm just going to use the brush and brush it into place and just continue applying gel to the hair. Just continue applying gel to the hair and use your brush and just brush the hair in the direction that you want it to go, and just get your hair tie and just tie the hair.